Looking for a neighborhood that has the Lakewood Ranch lifestyle without the cost? Well, check out Solera, one of Lakewood Ranch's newest communities coming very soon. Lower fees and lower priced homes make this neighborhood one to be sought after. Solera will feature over 672 single-family, 1- and 2-story homes, including one of D.R. Horton's top-selling multi-generational living plans, the Camden. This model will have a private living quarters with its own separate entrance as well, allowing everyone in the family their privacy, but still giving space for those fun family nights. Homes will be constructed with all concrete block and will come equipped with Home is Connected, which is America's state-of-the-art smart home package. Other standard features include a stainless steel appliance package, ceramic tile in the first floor living areas, and granite countertops in the kitchen. But don't forget, the neighborhood offers an amazing lifestyle. Homeowners will be able to enjoy state-of-the-art amenities, including the community resort-style pool, the clubhouse, and a tot lot. No matter your stage in life, whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to upgrade your existing home, Solera will provide the lifestyle you seek. HOA will be $97 a month, and the CDD is estimated to be around $1,100 annually. We hope you found this video valuable. We're so excited to help you find your dream home here on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida. Subscribe to our page on YouTube and give us a call today. It's our mission to show you what it's like to live, work, and play here in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. Our agents are excited to get to work for you.